All right, ladies and gents, I came down the street here to my buddy Tom's shop, and I've got some steel and some aluminum and some more steel in here. And Tom has a Langmuir. That's Tom. That's Max.
Hello.
Say hi. He has a Langmuir Crossfire big boy fancy pants table, and he even drew me up a logo. Well, Meg drew the logo. Tom had to copy it because the files didn't work. So he got on his computer, copied the logo, even drew me up some cool corner decorations, and he put my my business name down there. So what we're gonna do is the big square box in front of my building, we're gonna put brushed aluminum, and then he's cutting out this logo and all that stuff in this steel, and we're gonna paint the steel and screw the steel to the brushed aluminum and then screw all that to the big box, and we're gonna make a big badass sign. So then my buildings will be one more step to complete. So thanks, Tom.
You're welcome.
Check out Tom, Lucky 8 Performance from Austria. Tom's wife is also Karina, which is now YouTube famous, apparently, in Indiana.
The workhorse.
So, yeah, watch some cool stuff happen. All right, boys and girls, look at that. I had to DA my brand new sheets of freaking aluminum because they had a bunch of oxidation under the covering that came on them. So that was fun, but I think it still turned out really nice. I'm just trying to figure out now how I'm gonna get this big heavy piece of metal up there. I've got the scissor lift out there. Tom and Max are gonna come help me, but I don't know. I told them to make this an inch smaller than that, and that's my fault because in my head I'm thinking 1 inch lip, but when you only make this an inch smaller, I only get a ½ inch lip. So I told him wrong. So I just have to go screw this on with some screws, the aluminum first, I believe, and then drill some holes in the steel to screw it to the aluminum. So it might be a process, but it's gonna look freaking awesome. Say what?
What?
What'd you say?
When you put this in your video.
That might have been one of the sketchiest things we've ever done. But it's done. Look how good that looks, boy. Needs a little cleaning up, a little straightening up, but yeah, buddy. How was that?
It was exciting. It was, yeah.
Not very exciting, more like nerve-wracking. So
Yep.
if you're ever at a car show here, probably don't park at those spots and don't walk under this sign. Good thing we're getting property insurance back. That thing's heavy. Look at that though. I gotta bolt the bottom of it, but shut up. But she is up and done. We got a little bit of our pallet left on there, but that's okay. Look at this. It looks like a real hometown building now. We got lights, flowers, signs, and metal. Now we just need some more windows and we're done.